he's terminated.
Okay. So that's law. Okay, but we don't want no problems out here, so we don't need y'all to go that way. Well,
we can't present him with his termination letter.
We're gonna get someone else to do all this. We're not doing this right now, okay?
We're gonna get someone else to do it?
We're gonna handle this a different way. Yes, sir. Let's just walk that way, okay?
We're gonna walk this way.
Okay, we're not doing this. Back up. This is a lawful order. Back up.
And this is a lawful order.
And I get that, but back up. He feel in fear of his life. We're not doing that.
Fear of his life with a piece of paper?
If he's stepping back, he doesn't want to
Okay,
talk
so
right now.
we're
We're not
not
doing
doing
that.
distance,
We're
though.
not doing that.
Okay, but look how far he. Okay,
But right now, y'all
again.
causing scene. We're not doing that. Step back.
Y'all are the one that's
Step
making
back.
it.
We're not trying to take it there. Step back. Both of y'all. Step
Well-
back. This is a lawful order. Step back.
Well, Mr. Howard, you are no
Okay.
longer the police
Again,
chief of
effective
All
Lipscomb.
today.
Step back. Let's go.
And then you on our property. So this is y'all been doing it.
This is the county. We got called. Step back.
But this is still the city.
All right. Take it over to someone else.
This is our property. But this is our property.
Excuse me. Excuse
Yeah,
me.
but they have,
But we got called out
they
here.
have calls on our property. I'm the one that called you.
Fine. He just won't return to work tomorrow. And if he do, y'all will get called out tomorrow.
That's fine.
Yes.
We'll be back.
Yeah. Hey, you don't do it tomorrow because I'm asking for you. I want you to come out here and escort my property. Huh? Well, you hold it up for him now. You see you hold it up for him tomorrow.
We'll see how tomorrow goes.
Well, y'all see how I made
I
it
got
work.
you, but we're not trying to cause a
Yes, I called him. I called him to stop this.
and we get that, but we're not trying to cause a big.
We walk away from you guys, okay?
We got
so
you.
he's back there.
Oh, no,
Now,
you don't
I'm talking
dismiss
to
us.
these people now.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't dismiss
Yes.
yourself.
Yes, I did call. I called them
You good?
to keep it
All right.
keep it down, and you see what happened.